Hey, what's up? It's Deek. We're here in Toronto, and the art here is amazing. And we're staying in a very cool, small, not tiny, small house. So we're going to go narrated tour from here on out to show you some of the things color scheme wise, spatially, and so forth that make this place work. Because it's not a tiny house but a small house, and there's a lot of parallels. The open kitchen is great, the deep sink and the storage units that were built in DIY style I'm a fan of. The exterior, very modern. It has this panelized look, almost as if IKEA built the house. And there's definitely some IKEA accoutrements inside. A layered backyard, the shed below, play space above, monkey bars. The corrugated wall divisionally is really cool and affordable. The deck here extends some space to the outdoors. There's even chickens here, which was fun staying there because you got to take care of the chickens. The swing in the backyard, a nice little touch as well. AstroTurf too, it's not real grass, which is low maintenance. A little bit odd for some, but I really thought it was a smart move in such a small backyard. Inside there were a lot of vintage nods. There's this salvage store here. I love that kind of stuff. The bedroom's upstairs. This is like this DIY bunk leveled unit because the room was so small. Why not have a play space above or a sleep space above and play below? Here's the view looking down at that cool backyard. Once again, see how small it is, but they've made such great use of it and kept the giant tree there. Here's a better look at the stark and clean modern bedroom. The bedrooms are very small. Why waste a lot of space in the bedroom when it's usually just a place you're going to sleep? But during the day when no one's sleeping there, why not have that space double as an office? I really thought that was intelligent because in a lot of cases people will build in a separate office space. It's really a waste of space in a lot of cases unless you have a ton of stuff. In that case, small houses might not be for you. They took a bunch of stock IKEA shelves here that are affordable and mixed in some raw 2x10s and 12s there. Very small hallway here, not wasting a lot of the real estate or space. And here's this almost shotgun shack-like look at the house. I love those blue chairs, just a burst of pop of color here and there. A ghost just turned off that light. No, that was my wife while I was filming. The subway tiles on the side are great, and that unit right here, it's almost artistic, that holds their TV and all their collectibles is just wonderful. No, it's great because it's that DIY touch, especially the funky art you're seeing here and there, adding a personal touch to the house. The open storage forces you to not be clutterified, to make up a word. And there's some more little trucks and trinkets, an old-fashioned radio down below. And this door, I am just in love with it. It's one little pop upstairs, pocketed so it saves space as well. I didn't have footage of the bathroom. My SD card was corrupted. But this door kind of made the upstairs hallway. That's why I'm dwelling on it for so long in this shot. So there's a little bit of a look at this Toronto rental. I highly recommend it. I'm going to have the information below in the description should you choose to stay in Toronto. Please subscribe, and we will see you later. Thank you.